Take two. Hiya, Terry from Smoos Workshop here. Thanks for coming to my channel. I've been modelling since I was a young lad. I'm 50, 50 something now. Just came back to the hobby about 3 years ago. I'm having a go at building everything. I don't claim to be an expert at any of it, but I have fun whilst I'm doing it. On the channel, I'll be doing some videos, some step-by-step builds. I've got a couple to finish off that's been there for a while, and it's just painting and stuff. Also do inbox reviews, and I do the odd product review and stuff like that. I'm going to be starting an electricity series soon, so watch out for the channel update for that one. Used to do live shows. Not going to go into it, but live shows are not happening at the moment. I may do wee solo at the bench things. I've got a couple of wee Christmas prod things just to faff about with, you know, soldering and that. Fews are interested in electricity, or putting electricity in a kit. These are nothing to do at all with putting electricity in a kit. They're just Christmas things, so I might do a couple of wee shows on them. Yeah, so I've went through what's on the channel. I do have a Patreon page. I'm not begging for money on it, but if you like my channel and you feel you want to support me, tiers start for $1 a month, and it gets me tea bags and stuff, because I'm not working on that. But I mean, as I say, I'm not begging for money. You can, or you don't have to. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a channel update shortly, and let you know exactly what's in the pipeline. But yeah, it's just a quick hello to the channel. Let you know I'm not doing the lives anymore. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Yeah, we did have a friendly group that's no more. So now I've got my own page, and it's Smoos Cave on Facebook. You're welcome to join it. I think that's about it, actually. It's just a brief welcome to the channel, and I hope you enjoy it here. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the wee alarm bell so you can see if there's any videos go up. I think that's about it. Yeah, I think that's about it. So watch out for the regular channel updates, and hopefully I've got this right. And yeah, speak to you later. Happy modelling.